When many Australians think of bees, they think of the black and yellow striped variety. But there's other tiny little warriors out there, native to Australia, that I'm so passionate about. Now I'm on a mission to educate, inspire, excite and create awareness to the young and old about the importance and magic of Australian native bees. Today we're at the beautiful pristine Lake Parramatta Reserve, which is an amazing location to visit and relax. Lake Parramatta holds historical value and importance to the Indigenous community of this area. So we would like to thank and acknowledge the ancestors of this land. Native bee hives naturally inhabit this reserve in trees and logs, and City of Parramatta Council wants to see more bees buzzing around in our backyards. Today we're joined by Lisa from City of Parramatta. She's an environmental education officer. That's a mouthful. Tell me what you do.
We do lots of different things like cleaning up waterways. We have sustainable living workshops, and we also have a bee program.
Excellent. Tell me more about the bee program.
So the program's called Hive and Seek. And,
Nice.
and what we do is we invite our residents to become hosts, and they participate in a series of workshops and educational programs, and then they become a host of a beehive.
What sort of requirements are there to become a host?
Well, they just have to participate in the workshops. We run those throughout the year, and they also have to commit to not using any chemicals on their property.
So what's been the feedback from the local community now that you've commenced the Hive and Seek program?
Well, we've got about 10 hives out there now with our residents. We've got a wait list of about 20 residents wanting to get in, and we've also got some schools that want to get involved too, which is really exciting.
That is exciting, because then we can teach and educate the children about native bees and the importance of bees.
Yeah, and the fact that they're stingless and low maintenance, they're perfect for a school.
They are, and it's the gift that keeps on giving, because once you've established your hives, you can split them every 12 to 18 months.
That's right, and that's what we want to do with our program. We want to extend it in the next 5 years. We want to grow the number of hives exponentially so that we're connecting our parks and our reserves through the green spaces linked to our backyards. So we hope to develop a bee highway linking our green spaces all together.
So Lisa, we've just gone for a beautiful bushwalk. Where have you taken me?
Well, we're on the edge of Lake Parramatta here, and I've taken you to this big, beautiful eucalyptus tree. Now, right at the top there, you can see our beautiful native beehive.
Amazing. So to find a beehive naturally in this location is wonderful, and that's all of what we're trying to establish with the Hide and Seek program, having bees everywhere.
That's right, and we want to connect the native bushland to the backyards.
Awesome.
So we're spreading the bees' habitat.
So what small changes can we all make in our backyard, school and work environment to encourage more bees into our backyards?
Well, the first thing we need to do is reduce our spraying, so in backyards and around schools, and then also start planting more natives.
What we need to do is have flowers continually throughout the year so that the bees have lots to forage on, not just in spring when we have all the beautiful flowers. So anybody can actually have a native beehive in their place. Yeah. You don't need a big backyard, you don't need any permits, and it's child friendly. It really is the gift that keeps on giving. Thanks for joining us, Lisa. We've had a fantastic day here at Lake Parramatta, and we've enjoyed learning about your new program, the Hive and Seek. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye. If you want to learn more about Australian native bees, be sure to subscribe and check out our other episodes.